Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the section with apps. So let's scroll down and tap on apps. Now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on reset up preferences. And as you can see right now, your device will inform you that it will reset all preferences for disabled app notifications, also notification restrictions for apps, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps, and basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.